Why does this iterative list growing code give IndexError, list assignment index out of range? How can I repeatedly add, append, elements to a list? I tried writing some code like, but I get an error message that says IndexError column list assignment index out of range, referring to the j, k, equals L line of code. Why does this occur? How can I fix it?
Do j.append L instead of j, k equals L and avoid k at all.
J is an empty list, but you're attempting to write to element as 0 in the first iteration, which doesn't exist yet. Try the following instead, to add a new element to the end of the list. Of course, you'd never do this in practice if all you wanted to do was to copy an existing list. You'd just do. Alternatively, if you wanted to use the Python list like an array in other languages, then you could pre-create a list with its elements set to a null value, none in the example below, and later, overwrite the values in specific positions. The thing to realize is that a list object will not allow you to assign a value to an index that doesn't exist.
Also avoid using lowercase l's because it is easy for them to be confused with ones.
Your other option is to initialize j.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.